Imagine this. You're standing in your kitchen, the scent of citrus filling the air as you slice open a fresh, juicy lemon. The vibrant yellow color and the burst of juice make your mouth water, and you can almost taste the tangy flavor just by looking at it. But instead of tossing away those tiny seeds, what if you decided to give them a second life? Picture yourself carefully collecting each seed, knowing that within them lies the potential for something extraordinary. A lemon tree of your very own. It might sound almost magical, like something out of a fairy tale, but growing a lemon tree from a simple kitchen scrap is truly possible, and it's much easier than you might think. All it takes is a little curiosity and a willingness to nurture something new. With just a bit of patience and care, that leftover seed can transform into a thriving, fruit-bearing plant right in your home. Watching the first green shoot break through the soil is a moment of pure joy, a reminder of nature's quiet miracles. In today's world where summers are hotter and weather is unpredictable, indoor gardening is more popular than ever. People everywhere are turning to houseplants not just for beauty, but for a sense of calm and connection to nature. Growing a lemon tree from seed is the perfect project for curious beginners, families, or anyone who wants to add a splash of green to their living space. It's a hands-on way to learn about plants, patience, and the rewards of nurturing life. Plus, there's something truly special about watching your own plant grow from something as simple as a kitchen scrap. Each new leaf feels like a small victory, and the process itself can be surprisingly therapeutic. You don't need fancy tools, a green thumb, or expensive equipment to get started. The beauty of this project is its simplicity. Anyone can do it, no matter their experience level. All you need is a fresh lemon, some good quality soil, and a small pot. With these basic supplies, you're ready to begin your journey from seed to sprout. Whether you live in a bustling city apartment, a cozy suburban home, or a house with a sunny balcony, you can grow a lemon tree almost anywhere. All it needs is a bit of sunlight and your care. This guide will walk you through every step, from preparing your seeds and planting them, to nurturing your sprout and watching it grow into a small tree. With time, you'll see your efforts rewarded as your plant flourishes, and one day, you might even spot your very first lemon. So let's dig in together and discover just how rewarding and fun it can be to turn a humble kitchen lemon into a beautiful leafy tree. You'll be amazed at what you can grow with just a little patience and care. Who knows, in a few years you might be picking your own lemons for fresh juice, homemade lemonade, or even sharing your harvest with friends and family. The journey starts with a single seed. Let's get growing. Lemon trees are a top choice for beginner gardeners. They grow well in containers, look beautiful, and fill your space with a fresh citrus scent, even before they fruit. If you've never grown a tree before, lemons are forgiving and quick to show signs of growth, which keeps you motivated. Even before you see any lemons, the leaves and flowers are a reward. Glossy green leaves brighten up any room, and the white blossoms smell amazing. Watching your seeds sprout and grow taller each year is truly satisfying. Each new leaf feels like a little victory. Lemon trees are also tough. They can handle heat, and they bounce back from small mistakes. This makes them perfect for busy people or anyone worried about not having a green thumb. With a little care, you'll see steady progress. Finally, lemons are useful. Once your tree matures, you can use the fruit in drinks, cooking, and cleaning. Even if it takes a few years to fruit, you'll enjoy the journey every step of the way. Start with an organic lemon. Organic lemons are best because their seeds are often more likely to sprout. Cut your lemon open and look for plump, healthy-looking seeds. Avoid seeds that are flat, dark, or shriveled. They probably won't grow well. Remove the seeds and gently wash off any sticky lemon pulp. Do this right away. Don't let the seeds dry out. Dry seeds are less likely to sprout, so work quickly. Use lukewarm water to rinse them clean. For a better chance of success, you can gently peel off the thin, outer seed coat with your fingers or a nail. This step is optional, but it helps the seed sprout faster by letting water in more easily. Be careful not to damage the seed inside. Now your seeds are ready. Keep them in a damp paper towel if you need a few minutes to set up your pot. Freshness is key, so aim to plant them within an hour of removing them from the fruit. Choose a small pot. Something about 3 to 5 inches wide is perfect for starters. Make sure your pot has holes in the bottom for drainage. Good drainage is very important because lemon seeds rot in soggy soil. Fill the pot with a light, well-draining soil mix. A mix for citrus or seed starting is best, but any soil with a bit of sand or perlite will work. Lemon trees like slightly acidic soil, so avoid heavy garden dirt. Press your lemon seed about ½ an inch deep into the soil. Cover it lightly, but don't press it down too hard. Roots need space to push through. Water the soil until it's moist but not soaking wet. If you want, plant several seeds in one pot. This gives you more chances for success, and you can always thin out the weaker seedlings later. Label your pot with the date so you remember when you started. Alright, so now it's time for step 3, creating a happy home for your sprouting seeds. This is a really important stage because the environment you create now will set your seeds up for healthy growth right from the start. Think of it as building a cozy little nursery for your future plants, where they'll feel safe, warm, and ready to grow. First, you'll want to cover your pot with clear plastic wrap, or if you don't have that, a small plastic bag works just as well. The idea here is to trap moisture and warmth inside, creating the perfect conditions for your seeds to wake up and start growing. This simple step helps keep in moisture and basically turns your pot into a little mini greenhouse. It's like giving your seeds their own private spa day, every day. The extra humidity is really helpful because it makes your seeds sprout faster and stops the soil from drying out. Seeds need a consistently moist environment to break out of their shells and start sending out roots and shoots. Now, you'll want to find a warm spot for your pot, ideally somewhere between 21 and 29 degrees Celsius, or about 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature is key here, because seeds are a bit like us, they don't like being too cold or too hot. Placing it near a sunny window, or even on top of the fridge usually works pretty well. These spots tend to be warmer and get a bit of indirect light, which is just what your seeds need at this stage. Just try to avoid spots with cold drafts or places where the temperature swings a lot. Sudden changes in temperature can stress your seeds and slow down their growth, so pick a spot that stays pretty steady throughout the day and night. Remember to check the soil every few days. You don't want it to dry out, but you also don't want it to get waterlogged. The soil should stay moist but not soggy. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to add a little water. If it's too wet, just leave the cover off for a few hours to let some moisture escape. If you notice water droplets forming on the plastic, that's actually a good sign. It means you've got enough humidity. This condensation shows that your mini greenhouse is working just as it should. If the soil looks dry, just mist it gently with a spray bottle. Misting is better than pouring water because it keeps the soil evenly moist without disturbing the seeds. In about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start to see green shoots poking through the soil. This is always an exciting moment. It means your seeds are alive and growing. As soon as you spot those sprouts, go ahead and remove the plastic cover. Your seedlings will need fresh air and more light now to keep growing strong. Move your pot to a bright spot with lots of light, like a sunny windowsill. This will help your new plants develop healthy leaves and get ready for the next stage of their journey. Keep watching them grow and enjoy the process. Once your seedling appears, go ahead and give it a new home in the sunniest place you can find. Lemon trees really need at least 8 hours of sun every day. If you don't have enough sunlight, you can always use a simple grow light to help your plant thrive. Water your seedling to keep the soil damp, but never soggy. Just stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Lemon seedlings don't like to sit in water, so make sure to empty any tray under the pot after watering. If the air in your home is dry, like during those hot summers or when you're using heaters, mist the leaves gently once a day. This helps keep the young plant happy and stops the leaves from drying out or browning. Be patient. Growth will be slow at first, but with steady care, your seedling will grow taller and stronger each month. And hey, celebrate each new leaf. As your lemon tree grows, you'll notice it quickly starts to fill out its pot, stretching its roots and reaching for more space. This is a great sign that your plant is healthy and thriving, but it also means it will soon need a bigger home to continue its journey. Typically, after about a year of steady growth, your lemon tree will outgrow its original starter pot. You might see the leaves getting bigger, the stems thickening, and the plant itself looking a bit crowded or top-heavy. One of the clearest signs it's time to repot is when you spot roots poking out of the drainage holes at the bottom, or if the soil dries out much faster than before. If the plant seems cramped or the roots are circling inside the pot, it's definitely time for an upgrade. When this happens, gently move your tree to a larger pot, ideally one that's about 8 to 12 inches wide. This gives the roots plenty of room to expand and helps prevent the plant from becoming root-bound, which can stunt its growth. Always use fresh citrus potting mix or a well-draining blend designed for citrus trees. Good drainage is essential, as lemon trees don't like to sit in soggy soil. You can even add a bit of perlite or sand to improve aeration. When repotting, handle the roots with care. Try not to disturb them too much, just loosen them gently if they're tightly wound. This helps reduce transplant shock and allows the tree to settle into its new home more easily. After repotting, give your lemon tree a thorough watering to help the soil settle around the roots. Then, let it rest in partial shade for a few days so it can recover from the move and adjust to its new environment. Growing a lemon tree from seed is a true exercise in patience. These trees grow slowly at first, and it can take a while before you see significant changes. But don't get discouraged. Every new leaf is a step closer to your goal. On average, it takes 3 to 5 years before a lemon tree grown from seed will produce its first fruit. During this time, focus on providing the best care possible, good light, regular watering, and occasional feeding. If you're growing your lemon tree indoors, you might need to help with pollination. When flowers appear, gently brush the inside of each blossom with a small soft paintbrush or cotton swab. This mimics the action of bees and helps transfer pollen. By brushing pollen from one flower to another, you increase the chances of fruit developing. This simple step can make a big difference, especially if your tree doesn't have access to outdoor pollinators. Even before your tree starts to bear fruit, it will reward you with glossy, deep green leaves and clusters of fragrant white blossoms. The scent of lemon flowers is sweet and uplifting, filling your home or garden with a fresh, citrusy aroma. Each year, your lemon tree will grow bigger, stronger, and more resilient. With time, care, and a little patience, you'll watch it transform from a tiny seedling into a thriving tree, one that's getting closer to producing its very first lemons. Hot summers, like those in 2026, can be tough on young lemon trees. When the temperature soars, give your tree some afternoon shade. Move it away from windows or outside into dappled light if possible. Deep watering in the morning helps roots stay cool and hydrated. Mist the leaves during heat waves, especially if your home is dry or air-conditioned. This keeps humidity high around the plant and helps prevent leaf drop. Never let your lemon tree dry out completely in hot weather. When winter arrives, protect your lemon tree from cold drafts and frost. If you live in a chilly area, bring your plant indoors before temperatures drop below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Place it in the sunniest spot you can find, like a bright window or under a grow light. Avoid overwatering in winter, as plants grow more slowly and need less moisture. A little extra care during extreme weather means your tree will bounce back stronger each season. Grow more than one seed at a time. This gives you a higher chance of success, and you can choose the healthiest seedling to keep growing. Rotate your pot every week so the plant grows straight and doesn't lean toward the light. Feed your tree every month with a balanced, citrus-friendly fertilizer once it has a few sets of true leaves. Prune any weak, crossing, or damaged branches to help the plant grow bushier and stronger. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids or spider mites. If you spot them, wash them off with a gentle spray of water or use an organic soap. Remember, patience is your best tool. Lemon trees grow slowly, but every step is rewarding. Finally, be proud. Growing a lemon tree from seed is simple, fun, and honestly, deeply satisfying. With love and patience, you'll watch a tiny seed grow into a beautiful tree, one that may someday fill your kitchen with homegrown lemons.